Good afternoon, everyone. I am Kristen, and I'm excited to welcome you to this Novastar immersive scenario. Today, you'll be stepping into the Novastar universe as the innovation team assigned to the Star Huntress. You are creative problem solvers who have expertise in user experience, and it is your mission to develop innovative ways to personalize passenger experiences using the principles of design thinking. This session is designed to challenge your creativity and collaboration skills. I'll guide you through the process and tools you'll use to create meaningful solutions. Let's get started. The Star Huntress is a cutting-edge spaceship that embodies Novastar's values of innovation, sustainability, and customer focus. It is the flagship civilian space travel vessel offering 3-day flights to the Earth's moon, where Novastar has a luxury resort and an Old West themed park called the Cosmic Frontier. In this scenario, your role is to reimagine and enhance the passenger experience by using design thinking techniques. You'll collaborate with your classmates, explore the Star Huntress, and work towards solutions that align with Novastar's mission. Keep in mind, this is your opportunity to bring creativity and empathy into action as you tackle this challenge together with your team. As you work through the virtual course, there are some helpful navigation tips to keep in mind. First, make use of the table of contents. It is a great tool for quick navigation. It provides an overview of all the sections in the course. However, keep in mind that certain areas will remain locked until you've completed all the work in the preceding sections. This ensures that you progress in the intended sequence and fully engage with the content. Next, note that you may make use of the search bar to quickly locate key terms or topics. This will save you time, especially if you need to revisit specific information during your tasks. As you go through the course, I encourage you to organize key information by copying important details into personal or shared documents. This will help you keep track of critical insights. Additionally, consider collaborating as a team by creating a shared space, such as a shared document or Miro, to compile notes, insights, and snippets of your discussions. This will keep everyone aligned and make it easier to work together effectively. By following these tips, you'll be able to navigate the course efficiently and make the most of the learning experience. Here are the basics of design thinking. This process involves 5 stages: empathize, define, ideate, prototype, and test. Empathy is where you'll begin to understand passenger needs and desires. From there, you'll define the key problems to solve, brainstorm creative solutions, develop prototypes, and test your ideas for feedback. This method emphasizes collaboration and user-focused solutions, which are central to today's challenge. Next, I want to introduce you to the Novastar organization. Novastar is a visionary civilian space travel company leading the way in Earth's race to the stars. Our mission is to create innovative, sustainable, highly personalized travel experiences for passengers across the galaxy. Whether it's through cutting-edge technology, luxurious comfort, or exceptional service, Novastar is redefining what it means to explore the stars. Here's what you can expect during your program. First, we'll take you through an in-depth orientation to Novastar's company, its mission, values, and operations. This will help you understand the bigger picture of who we are and what we stand for. Then you will be introduced to the crew of the Star Huntress and learn about their role as resources to you in your mission toward better personalization. Next, you'll dive into your role as part of the innovation team. This is where the real challenge begins. You'll use your creativity and problem-solving skills to develop solutions that enhance the travel experience for our passengers. Once you complete these sections, your mission will be set out in detail, and you'll begin to work through the learning material on the design thinking process. Now let's explore the Star Huntress. This incredible ship offers a fully immersive travel experience designed with the passengers in mind. We'll take a closer look at the different decks of the ship. Each area, from the recreation zones to the Nebula Bar and Grill, offers unique opportunities for personalization. As we go through the layout, I want you to think about two things. First, how do these spaces already reflect Novastar's values like innovation and customer focus? Second, how could we improve on them? What are the ideas or enhancements that could make each passenger's experience feel truly personalized? This is your playground for creativity. Let's uncover the potential of the Star Huntress together. We'll start with the lower deck. This area houses engineering spaces, recreation zones, sleeping quarters, and an entertainment hall. Think about the functionality of these areas. How can we make them more comfortable or engaging for our passengers? Could we introduce features that cater to individual preferences or enhance the overall experience? This is your chance to imagine how we can take an already functional space and make it truly unforgettable for every traveler. Next, we have the middle deck, a hub of activity on the Star Huntress. Here, you'll find VR experiences, the Nebula Bar and Grill, and a sick bay, among other spaces. Think about how these features contribute to entertainment and well-being. For example, could VR experiences be personalized to reflect someone's favorite hobbies or dream destinations? Or how might we create a dining experience at the Nebula Bar and Grill that feels unique to each passenger? This deck is all about possibilities, and it's going to be your job to uncover them. Now the upper deck. This is where luxury meets relaxation. You'll find spa rooms, the Milky Way performance venue, and an upscale dining area. Think about the opportunities here. How could you personalize the spa services to help passengers relax in a way that suits their preferences? Or how might we design performances and dining experiences that feel tailored to their tastes? This deck is where the Star Huntress truly shines as a luxury experience. Let's make it unforgettable. The command deck is the operational heart of the Star Huntress. It includes the shuttle bay, bridge, and maintenance areas. While passengers may not directly interact with this deck, think about how the work done here impacts their journey. Could we enhance their sense of security by sharing navigation insights or providing behind-the-scenes view of operations? Even the most functional spaces can play a role in shaping the passenger experience. Now I'm going to introduce you to Polaris. Polaris is the AI for the Novastar organization. It is your key tool for this scenario. Polaris is the gateway to the Novastar universe. You can use Polaris to gather detailed information, simulate conversations with crew members, and immerse yourself in the story. It's designed to make this experience both engaging and insightful. Think of Polaris as your onboard guide, ready to assist with data insights, information, and help you craft your solutions. Now let's talk about how to use Polaris effectively. This is where prompt engineering comes in. To get the most out of Polaris, be specific with your questions, refine them, and provide context. For example, instead of asking, "What do passengers like?" you could ask, "What types of dining experiences do passengers traveling with families prefer?" Prompt engineering is a way to focus your creativity and bring your ideas to life. And don't forget, there's a downloadable guide in your materials if you need additional tips. When working with Polaris or any character available in your dashboard, there are a few key things to keep in mind. This slide shows some tips for designing effective prompts. If you use Polaris as your co-pilot, you may dive deeper into the passenger needs, gather insights, and shape your solutions. The more you interact with Polaris, the more you can understand your mission, Novastar's goals, the observation of other crew members, and the experiences of the customer. Here is the central question you'll be working on. How might we personalize the travel experience for passengers of the Star Huntress? To guide you, we've outlined some key expectations. To excel, you'll need to demonstrate a thorough understanding of the design thinking principles. You'll also need to show a deep empathy and creativity in your ideas, create quality prototypes, and work effectively as a team. Remember, this is all about collaboration. The best solutions come from diverse perspectives working together. Let's aim for excellence in every category. This is your chance to clarify anything about the scenario, your roles, or tools available to you. Don't hesitate your ask because your success depends on understanding what's expected. Let's get to work and create the future of personalized space travel.